Microsoft Teams Beast Mode on presentation skills. Okay, welcome back to the channel. We are going to look at how you do your presentations today. Really quick stylistic hack that's going to make your presentations look so impressive. Please share this with everybody who does presentations online, because it's very different to doing presentations live in person. Mainly when you do a presentation in person, your interaction, it's a real human feel that you've got with people. When you're online, it can feel very sterile and very disconnected. What I want to show you today is a way to bridge that gap. So when you're online, you're still getting the engagement from your audience. Okay, so you're on Teams, you're in a meeting, and you've been asked to present. So these are all familiar with you, and this is the share icon here. So when you press share, you get your standard menu here: share your screen or share your window. So you would normally just hit share screen or share window and go for it. But I just want to draw your attention just for now. You press pause. Don't do that straight away. Press pause. Make sure your camera and your microphone are switched on. And then look at this presenter mode here and move it from content only to standout. When you do that, and now when you press this, what will happen next? And then I'm going to share my Chrome bar. I'm going to show this option. So you're going to see my Chrome browser. So I'm going to share screen, and then we're going to go into the Chrome browser. Okay, so this is what you see. So when you click share, and then you click presenter mode, and then you choose your presentation, you will be always in front of what is being presented. So for example, if I'm presenting this to you and I'm talking to you, I can still interact with you. I can still attract your attention towards me as the human. But when I need you to see the content, I can point here, here, and here. All the way up here. If you want to subscribe, there's a subscribe, whatever. This is my YouTube page. But what I'm trying to get across here is that this is how you present using Teams to make it much more feel like the old experience of presenting in a room with a bunch of people. When you do it this way, at least a bunch of people can see you and your presentation and you interacting with the presentation. This is just how you present against any background, anything you want to share. What I want you to be able to look at next, which we're going to do in another video, is that actually when it's a PowerPoint, I'm going to show you how to make it really impressive. Now, if you want to see that video, please subscribe or follow me on stream or subscribe on YouTube, and I'll be doing that next. And guarantee you, your presentations after this video and the next one around how you do PowerPoints, you will never go back to doing presentations that you did before. And you might not even want to go back to doing them human to human again once you understand the functionality you can have within the Teams platform. Okay, thanks a lot everybody. I hope this has been useful. And again, please follow, like, share and subscribe. Comment how you're using this and implementing this in your workplace. And again, all the videos, if you did want to have a look at them, they're all going to go up on the YouTube channel and on stream and on other platforms as well. That will come alive as we go on. Thanks a lot everybody. See you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching everybody. Please don't forget, like, share and subscribe. And I hope to see you on the next video, and hope you're finding these really helpful. More to come.